Class 6 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is 18 and that is the symmetry. So let us see what is in symmetry. So first we see flowers, beautiful painting, buildings and other objects. Many of things are symmetry. Now second one, objects look beautiful if they have symmetry. मतलब किसी में भी अगर symmetry है तो वो बहुत good looking दिखाई देता है. So third one is there are many kinds of three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure होती हैं around us. Some of them cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder or pyramid. So these are the shapes of symmetry. So let us see. Many types of shape exist around us. We look at the flower, beautiful paintings, buildings and other things. In all these we see symmetry and some kind of harmony. Now many of these shapes are in balanced portions. Proportions. Some of these look at the same at different positions. Some of these look at if they are made up of two similar figures. अधिकतर similar figures से बने रहते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं कहां कहां बने हुए हैं. Now see this one is it is a symmetrical axis. You can say this one. Middle में ये आपको symmetrical axis दिखाई दे रही है जहां मैं लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं और इससे जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये सिमेट्री हो गया है और राइट हैंड साइड में भी सिमेट्री हो गया है. एक पार्ट ये है आपका, सेकंड पार्ट ये दिखाई दे रहा, सिमेट्रिकल सेम में है. इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करके बिल्कुल एक बढ़िया सी तस्वीर बन जाती है, पिक्चर बन जाती है, फॉर्म यानी कि गुड लुकिंग दिखती है. तो यहाँ पर भी देखो, यहाँ पर भी सिमेट्री है आपका. यहाँ से मिडिल से इसको जो है दो हिस्सों में अगर बांट के देखो तो दोनों बिल्कुल सिमिलर हैं. ये आपको यहाँ से देखो दिखाई दे रहा है बढ़ करके. इसको हम सिमेट्री एक्सिस बोलते हैं. ये हमारा सिमेट्री एक्सिस है. चलिए यहाँ पर तो एक ही एक दिख रहा है लेकिन और फिगर्स हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे होते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बन रहे हैं सिमेट्री एक्सिस. ये एक एक्सिस तो मैं ही लाइन से खींच करके दिखा रहा हूं. जितनी ज्यादा सिमेट्री एक्सिस होगी उतनी ही ज्यादा गुड लुकिंग होगी पिक्चर्स. यहाँ देखो ये एक और दिखाई दे रही है एक्सिस आपको, ये एक्सिस और दिखाई दे रही है, सिमेट्री एक्सिस है. मतलब इसके दोनों तरफ फिगर बिल्कुल सेम होगी. एक और आपको सिमेट्री एक्सिस दिखाई दे रही है, ये आपको दिखाई दे रही है यहाँ से ये चलती हुई, ये आपको सिमेट्री एक्सिस दिखाई दे रही है. तो ये कई सारे एक्सिस हो गए. एक सिमेट्री एक्सिस ये हो गई, एक ये हो गई और एक ये हो गई. तीन सिमेट्री एक्सिस है, 1 2 एंड 3. सो इन 3 सिमेट्री एक्सिस की वजह से ये बहुत बढ़िया यानी गुड लुकिंग दिखाई दे रहा है. ये आपको जो है प्लेइंग कार्ड्स हैं, दैट इज द डायमंड कार्ड्स एंड इट इज लुकिंग गुड. सो यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज सो मेनी सिमेट्री एक्सिस. सो यू कैन सी दिस वन इज द सिमेट्री एक्सिस. ये आपको सिमेट्री एक्सिस से मैं डिवाइड करके दिखा रहा हूं. और ये भी यहाँ पर भी एक सिमेट्री एक्सिस है इसका, यहां से भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, ये अलग हो जा रहा है, इसलिए इनकी लुकिंग गुड होती है. चलिए एक और देखिए, ये तो आप लोगों ने देख रखा, ये तो हमारा राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह है. तो ये भी यहाँ से सिमेट्री एक्सिस में है. अबाउट में देखो यहाँ से ये बिल्कुल डिवाइड होकर के दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है. दैट मीन्स इट इज अ सिमेट्री एक्सिस. दिस वन इज. सो ऑल दीज आर द सिमेट्रिक शेप्स. देयर शेप्स आर, all shapes are in symmetric form. Let us see activity number 1. So axis of symmetry. What is the axis of symmetry? Observe the given figures. If we could fold any one of these figures in such a way that its left half portion coincide with the other right half portion, or the upper half part coincides completely with the lower half, then we say that these figures have a axis of symmetry. In such cases, both the half and are mirror images of each other. See figures A. If it is folded along the broken lines, then one part will be completely hide the other part. So observe similar lines in the remaining figure. So that is the symmetry axis or axis of symmetry. So you can learn this. So you can see there is the symmetry axis. This one is, this line is called as symmetry axis. So you can draw this line. So it is only one line. So you can see in this figure, and here is also one line which is symmetry axis. You can see here, this line is called as symmetry axis. Now come to the second, this one. In this also you can see one line is symmetry axis which is shown in the figure, but I have dark it. So this is also, you can see it is symmetry axis. So it divides equal portions into two parts. Now you can watch which of the figures given below are symmetric. So you can see it is symmetric figure. This is not symmetric figure. It is symmetric figure. It is also symmetric figure. It is not a symmetric figure, and it is also not symmetric figure because it is not closed. This portion is not closed. If it is closed, then it is symmetric. Now come to the next one. You can see the symmetric and non-symmetric. So you can see in this the English letters. So it is A. A is symmetric. B is also symmetric. Mid से symmetric है ये. C is also symmetric. D is also symmetric with the middle. E is also symmetric. F is not symmetric. F you can write here. F is not symmetric. G is not symmetric. H is symmetric. I is symmetric. J is not symmetric. K is symmetric in the middle. L is not symmetric. So you can write here. M is symmetric. N is not symmetric. O is symmetric. P is not symmetric. Q is also not symmetric. R is not symmetric. S is symmetric. S is symmetric. T is also symmetric. U is symmetric. V is symmetric. W is symmetric. X is symmetric, but Y is not symmetric. But we can write Y, capital Y is also symmetric. And Z, you have to see Z. Z is also symmetric. You can see here the same parts. So these are the letters, capital letters of the English word. So that is the symmetric or non-symmetric you can find. Now come to this one. You can see both the figures are images, mirror images. So you can see this is the symmetry axis. So this line is called as symmetry axis. Now come to this one. You can see in this, you can see the one line is a symmetric axis. In both, you can see here is also symmetry axis. Both are divided into two equal parts. So it is also symmetry axis. You can see in all the figures. Now come to the next one. Recognize the symmetry. In this symmetries, you can draw the line. This is the symmetry axis. You can see it. So its figure is symmetry. This is also symmetric figure. The axis is here. So it is also symmetric figures. Now this one is, this figure and this figure is symmetrically. But it is not symmetrically, but it is individually symmetrically because it has this one axis. So here is also you can see symmetry axis. It is the symmetry axis. This one is the axis of symmetry. It has two axes here. One axis is here. It has also two axes. So one is here and second axis is this one. Here is also two axes. One is here and second one is here. And it is also symmetry axis. So the first one is here and second one is here. So these all the figures are symmetric. You can see here it is the symmetric. Why? Because it divides into two equal parts and the same type. Now come to this line, the rectangle and symmetry. Rectangle is also symmetric because it is divided into two parts by this axis. You can see this axis of symmetry, and here is also you can see this one is also axis of symmetry. So it has two lines. First line, this one, it is the first symmetry axis and it is the second symmetry axis. Now come to this umbrella. You can see it is the symmetrical figure, or you can say mirror image, but it is individually also divided into two parts with the help of this line. So it is the symmetrical axis. You can see this is the symmetric axis of symmetry. ये सारी axis of symmetry हैं. Now one half of the face is shown in the figure. Would you see the full face. If you place a mirror along a line AB के along में अगर mirror रखना है तो हमें ये पूरी figure complete दिखाई देगा. So AB is the line of symmetry. So you can say AB is the line of symmetry of complete figure. So that's why you can complete with the help of mirrors. You can complete like this, and one round is here and one figure is here. It is due to the mirror. Now come to the next one. Some English letters are also symmetric axis. We can say it is X, it is M, and it is A. And this one is the rectangle, so it has three symmetry axis: 1, 2, and 3. So three symmetry axis. There is only one symmetry axis. Here is 2. Here is also 1, and here is also 2 symmetry axis. Now come to the exercise 18.1. So what is in your exercise? Identify which of the following figures are symmetric. Find the lines of symmetry for these. For the symmetric figures, draw a line of symmetry, and for each figure, write the number of lines of symmetry. So you can write here. So you can see here the number of line symmetry. You can count. This is the first number of line symmetry. It is the symmetry axis, you can say, and this one is also symmetry axis. This line. And one line is also here. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4 symmetry axis. You can say this one is the one symmetry axis, and another symmetry axis is this one, and next one is, you can see here, it is the symmetry axis. So it is 1, 2, and 3. It has no any symmetry axis. There is no any symmetry axis, scalar triangle, and it has this one is the symmetry axis. And other symmetry axis, you can see here, this one, and next one, it is here, you can see it is the symmetry axis. So you can count 1, 2, and 3. So you can draw this type. Now come to the in this figure. So you can see here it is the symmetry axis. So you can draw first line, and it is your second line symmetry axis, and this is your third symmetry axis, and it is your fourth symmetry axis. So you can say it is 1, 2, 3, and 4 symmetry axis. So it has only one symmetry axis, this one, and the second, this one. So you can write 1 and 2. And in this, you can place a symmetry axis. So that one is the one symmetry axis, and the second symmetry axis is this one. And you can also shown by this figure also, this type of also. And you can draw also here, this type of, this is the symmetry axis. And you can see here, here is this one symmetry axis. First and second one is this. So you can draw all this type. Now come to this figure. It has symmetry axis like this, only one symmetry axis. Here is only one symmetry axis, this one. And it has so many symmetry axis. It has infinite symmetry axis, which it passes through center. You can see here, it has infinite symmetry axis. You can draw any one of the line. So there is a infinite. It has only two lines symmetry axis. First this and second one is this. Only two, 1 and 2. Here is only one. Here is only one also. Now come to the next figure. Exercise 18.2. Classify the following figure as symmetric and non-symmetric. This one is non-symmetric. So you can write non-symmetric. It is non-symmetric, but it is symmetric because it has symmetric axis. This one and this one also. Two axes. So you can write symmetric. It is also symmetric because it has symmetry axis. So you can write symmetric. It is not symmetric. So you can say non-symmetric. Now come to the this figure. It is not symmetric, non-symmetric. This figure is also non-symmetric. It has symmetric. This one you can say this line is symmetric line, so it is symmetric. It is also symmetric because it has one symmetric line, so you can draw here, so it is symmetric. So you can write on the figure. Question number 2. List any 5 non-symmetric figures around you which have you not appeared in this figure, in this book. So you can write so many types. So first of all, we want to write here non-symmetric figure. So banana is not a symmetric figure. And second one is, you can see any other. Which one? Yes, you can see banana, stone, tree, mountain and rivers are non-symmetric things. Now come to the next one. So draw a line segment of 6 centimeter, mark a line of symmetry on it. So how can see here, you can see this line is AB, that is the 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. It is a line you can draw with the help of scale. And the midpoint is the line of symmetry. You can see here, this is the line of symmetry. So you can draw very well. Now come to this one. Complete the figure, following figure. They have PQ as the line of symmetry. So how can complete? So you can see here, how can, this is the this side, so you can form this side. So you can form this side like this. And also you can form this side. Or you can see this side you can form with the help of this scale, or you can form this type, and you can also form this type. So it has completely, ये complete figure है बेटो, इसमें कोई जरूरत नहीं बनाने की हमें. Now come to the next one. Fifth question. The shape of the some folded paper are shown below. On their folds, shape are drawn. In each drawn, the complete shape that would be obtained when we cut along the design for each of the figure. This figure is looking like this one. This figure is looking like this. So you can draw this type. It is the axis. So you can write here like this. It's the same things like this. And you can say this one is, it is looking like, so in the paper it is looking like this. And this one, you can say it is looking like this one. This one. So you can draw in your copy. It is very well. So you can draw very well. Now come to the next one. So this here. Question number 5. If the following figure I have drawn on one section as 4 folded paper, then how would the full figure be? Think of the shape and draw them in the notebook. If you can't find shape by thinking, when the find by paper cutting. अगर ये आपको नहीं मिलता है तो पेपर को काट करके देखिए कैसा दिखाई देगा. So you can see here, this is the type. So in this year, in this year. So ये आपका कुछ ऐसा बनता हुआ आएगा. यहाँ पर भी कुछ ऐसा ही बनता हुआ आएगा बच्चों, देखो. और ये फिर यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही कुछ बनता हुआ आएगा. देखो ये सुंदर सी फिगर बनाई दिखाई देगी आपको. ऐसी ये वाली फिगर भी आपको दिखाई देगी बनती हुई. आपको भी ऐसे ही बनाना है बच्चों ये, so you can make very well. And you can form this one also. This one is here. Now come to the question number 8. Write down in your notebook the number of up 100 which are symmetrical figures. In our daily life, we see some solid objects which are not plane. So you can see it is the cylinder, it is a canal, it is cylinder. Now book is the shape is cuboid, and here is ice cream, it is the shape of cone. So you can write very well. It is cylinder, it is the cuboid, and it is the cone. And this is the sphere. You can see here the ball is the sphere and it is the dice 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to. So it has cubical shape and it has 6 faces. So it is the face. So you can say this one is also face. So it has 6 faces. 6 face. And it is also 6 face. And it is, this one is the edge. This line is the continuous edge. So how many edges? 3. It is 4, 4, 8. So 12 edges. So you can count here 12 edges. Here is also 12 edges. And vertex is this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 vertex. In this figure, match the following figure. Cone, where is the cone? This one is the cone. You can write here like this. Sphere, so you can see here the sphere is this one. And the cylinder you can see this one is the cylinder. And the cube is, where is cube? It is your cube and this is the cuboid. You can see and the complete the matching part. Now come to the shape. You can see here some shapes. So face and edge and vertex. How many counts here? Plane is, it has the 6 plane and the curve 0 and straight lines. How many straight lines? It has straight line 12 and curve 0 and vertex, it has 8 vertex. It has 6, curve is 0, straight line is 12 and curve is 0 and here is vertex is 8. Here is plane is 2 planes and 1 curve and the straight line is only 2, curved 1 and here is vertex is 0. In this plane curve, there is no plane curve. Plane is not, curve is only 1 and here the straight line, so 0, curve is 1 and here is vertex is 0. It has plane, 1 plane, this one is the 1 plane and how many curve? Curve is only 1 and the straight line is 2. You can say first and second, this one and this one. And here the curve is only 1 and the vertex it has only one vertex. So you can write very well. So your exercise will finish. ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी समाप्त हो रही है। नीचे आपको लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे और कम से कम लाइक तो बनता ही है, इसको मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे जिससे मेरे को पता चले हाँ ये अच्छा बन रहा है और मैं आगे और अच्छा बनाने का प्रयास करूंगा। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ।